Hi guys, and welcome to your 20-minute low impact HIIT routine. My name is Dempsey. If you haven't been here before, I'm a personal trainer and I am so excited to be taking you through this workout today. So this routine is low impact, which means we're not going to be jumping. So it's perfect if you have people that live below you in an apartment complex or you just don't want to jump at all. Routine is also perfect for that. We've got 6 different exercises. We're going to be working for 45 seconds on, 15 seconds rest, and we're going to repeat that 3 times through. Absolutely no equipment required, so no excuses. Let's get into it. I'm going to demonstrate the first exercise as always before we get into it. Exercise number 1 is going to be a no jump burpee with mountain climber. So we're going to start at the top of the mat. We're going to squat down. Step one foot back, step the other foot back. We're gonna bring our knee to our elbow on each side. Then we're gonna step back up. And then when we get here, we're gonna come up onto our toes and then come back down and repeat. We've got 20 minutes of work. Let's get into it. Here we go, 3, 2, and 1. And then up. Being really deliberate with these motions. Taking this one kind of nice and easy. Get those bodies warmed up. Ten more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Drop it down and rest. All right, we've got 15 seconds to rest. Our next exercise is gonna be a squat with punches. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start feet hip distance apart. We're gonna drop it down into a squat, come up, throw 2 punches, back down. Here we go. So remembering to breathe, keeping our weight in our heels as we sit back and down into that squat. Core is locked on, nice and tight. Keep that belly button up and into your spine. You guys are doing great. We got 10 more seconds here. Nice strong punches. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. All right. Next exercise. We're gonna be doing a floor push-up with a step out. So, floor push-up, basically, we're gonna lower ourselves all the way down to the mat, press back up, step each foot out, and repeat. Here we go. So lower down nice and slow, press back up, and repeat. If this is too much for you guys, you can always drop down onto your knees for this, and then press back up on your knees, and then just come up onto your toes for the step outs. We want to keep that back as flat as we can as we press ourselves up. So nice flat back. Last 3, 2, and 1. Rest. Whew, that one kills your arms. All right, next up, we're gonna come back up to standing. We're gonna be doing a reverse lunge with an arm lift. So we're gonna alternate sides on this one. Starting at the top of your mat, we're gonna lunge back, arms go up, and switch sides. So we kind of wanna have a little bit of a tempo to this one. Arms aren't going up all the way above our head. At a bit of an angle. Keep breathing, guys. Nice job. We have 5 more seconds. Keep breathing. 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Rest. All right, get to lay down for this one. we're doing opposite leg toe taps on our back. So coming all the way down onto our back, arms and legs extended long. We're gonna touch our right hand to our left foot and switch. Here we go. Enjoy this little bit of a rest here. I mean, not a rest, but you know. One more exercise in this first round. I want you to breathe and stay with me, guys. And rest. All right, our last exercise is gonna be crawl outs with shoulder taps. So starting at the back of your mat, we're gonna squat down, crawl it out into a plank, tap each opposite shoulder, and then crawl it back to standing. Here we go. Almost done with this first round, guys. We want those hips to stay nice and stable as we tap our shoulders. So if you have trouble with this, we can always drop down onto our knees, knock out those shoulder taps, back onto our toes, and then crawl your way back up. Here we go, guys, 10 more seconds. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rest. All right, we are not really resting for too long. 10 more seconds, and we're going back into those no jump burpees. So remember, starting at the top of your mat, roll your shoulders out. Here we go. Up onto those toes, back down. Halfway. Big deep breaths, guys. I know this one burns. Last one. Give me 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rest. Nice work, team. We're going back into those squats and punches. Breathe deep. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. So if you have equipment and you want this to be harder, you can always do this with a pair of light dumbbells. Get a little bit extra upper body work in. So we want to keep this pace nice and fast. Last 10 seconds. And rest. All right. Next up, we've got those floor push-ups with step outs. Whew. Just preparing my arms for it. Get into that plank position. Here we go. Really working into those triceps. Three, 2, and 1. Nice job, guys. Give those arms a little shake, a little stretch. We've got our reverse lunge with an arm lift. Starting at the top of your mat. Remember, we kind of want the tempo of this one to be moving fast. This one would absolutely kill if you decided to use dumbbells or a med ball. Keep pushing, guys, halfway. Last ones, stay with me, 3, 2, and 1. Rest, all right, onto our backs for our little break. Opposite leg toe taps. Here we go. So if this is too hard, you can always do this with a bent knee and a bent elbow. If this is too easy, grab a dumbbell and see how you go. Relax your face. Keep it coming, guys. And rest. All right. Last exercise of this second set, we've got crawl outs with shoulder taps. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Remember, keep those hips stable. Last 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. All right, guys, 2 rounds down. We got 1 more to go. Grab some water if you need to. Got a couple more seconds before we jump right back into those no jump burpees with a mountain climber. Starting at the top of your mat, here we go. For those of you guys that want a bit of a challenge, we're gonna go knee to opposite elbow this time. Why not? Let's mix it up. Bring that knee to your opposite elbow. Really squeeze those obliques. Heart rate should be up. Arms and legs should be burning. Last time we're seeing this exercise. Stay with me to the end. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. All right, we're gonna switch up this next one as well. Instead of standing up and punching, we're gonna punch in our squat. So we're gonna come down, come up. All right, here we go. "30 seconds. This is our last round on the home stretch. Want to make sure we're keeping those shoulders back. Chest is up. Last little push here, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rest. 4 exercises to go. Floor push-ups with step outs. Roll your shoulders out. Remember, if we need to drop down onto our knees for this one, that's cool. I'd rather have your form really good than be struggling with straight legs. You can also always just press up on your knees and lower yourself down on your feet, because it is the press up that's the hardest part. Halfway. Last ones, here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. Done with those for the day. Definitely my least favorite of these. Next up, we've got our reverse lunge with an arm raise, arm lift, whatever you want to call it. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Keep that core on, belly button drawn up and into your spine. Inside our last 3 minutes of work here, guys. Last ones. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. All right, 2 to go, guys. Coming down onto our backs. Big deep breath in, big deep breath out. Almost there. And rest. All right, legends, we made it. Last exercise of this workout, we have our crawl outs with opposite shoulder taps. For those of you guys that want a challenge, we're gonna crawl out, tap, tap, and then tap opposite foot. Totally optional, only if you want that extra challenge, extra work for your core. Otherwise, stick with the shoulders. This is it, guys. Last little bit. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You're done. As always, thank you guys so much for working out with me. If you enjoyed this workout, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a workout. I'll be posting new workouts 2 times a week, and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.